It's so good to be here today sharing space and knowledge with you all. We all struggle with self doubts. By making just a few simple changes, you could break free. I'm going to teach exactly how to crush self doubts and start solving uninterruptedly. I'm here to help you make it happen. So, if you're ready, let's get into today's video, which is on non exact differential equation. The method which I'm going to use is the inspection method to get the solution. So, here are the few problems flashing on the screen. See, in my earlier video, I have taught you 10 formulae, and now I'm going to implement today to get a solution. The first question here is 1 plus xy into x dy plus 1 minus xy into y dx is equal to 0. So, see here, the first question which I'm going to give the solution is, this is 1 plus xy into x dy, 1 minus xy into y dx. So I need y first. So as I need the question in the form m dx plus n dy, so I am bringing this dx this side. So this is 1 minus xy into y dx plus this is 1 plus xy into x dy. First of all, we have to rearrange like this, and next we have to solve the problem. See, if I multiply, this will be y and this will be x y square into dx. So if I multiply with x, this will be x plus x square y into dy is equal to 0. So now this question is in the form m dx plus n dy. Clear? So m dx plus n dy. Now what is m here and what is n? So I'm bringing m here. So m is nothing but y minus xy square. So what is n here? This is x plus this is x square y. Now if I make a derivative with respect to y for m, so this is 1, and for y square this is 2y. So this is 2y. And next one, if I make a derivative with respect to x for n, so x1, and for x square this is 2x into y. If you observe, both are not equal. So these two are not equal, and therefore we say that dou m by dou y is not equal to, this is dou n by dou x. So here it is non-exact. So the given equation is a non-exact differential equation, and we have to check the solution for it. So here the first thing here is, the question is this one, that is y minus, so this is y minus x y square into dx, the question plus, so this one is x plus this is x square y into dy is equal to 0. So this is the question. So here if you observe properly, so by inspection method, I am going to solve. This is y into dx. So this is y into dx, and this is x y square dx plus. So if I multiply, this is x dy, and if I multiply this one, this will be x square y into dy is equal to 0. So if I bring these two aside, see here, this will be y dx plus this value is x dy plus. So from these two, if I take xy common, so if I take xy common, see here, if I take x into y common, this will be y dx minus, so this will be, I've taken x common and y common, so this will be x dy is equal to 0. Clear? In my previous video, I have told you 10 formulas here. So these are all the formulas which you have to remember and which we have to apply in this solution. So here, this is x dy plus y dx can be written as a derivative of xy. Now here see, this is x dy plus y dx. I am writing it as derivative of x comma y. See, x I left, for y I have made a derivative, and next y I have left, for x I have made a derivative. This is xy into, so this one is y dx minus x dy is equal to 0. Now in order to get the solution, I am going to multiply throughout the equation with xy whole square. See, I am going to divide with xy whole square. So now see here, if I divide throughout the equation, then see, so this, if I split here, this is derivative of xy by xy whole square, and now see here, this is xy into, this is y dx minus x dy by this value is xy whole square is equal to 0. So if I cancel this for one time, see what remains here. This will be derivative of xy by this is xy whole square minus, so this is y dx minus x dy by xy is equal to 0. As I'll show you the another formula. So if it is multiplication in the denominator, so if there is multiplication in the denominator, y dx minus x dy. So if there is x here, we have to start with y. So here, always the product will be related to the logarithm. Derivative of log x by y is equal to y dx minus x dy by xy. So if it is y in the numerator, so we have to start with x here. So always for log, there will be product in the denominator. Just see here. So this one I'm going to write it as in the formula xy by xy whole square minus, this can be written as derivative of, this is logarithm of, if there is y, we have to go with x in the numerator, x by y is equal to 0. Now if I make integration on both sides, if I make an integration on both sides, then see, so this is of the form dx by 1 by x square. So this is of the form dx by x square. So the integration part is minus 1 by x. So now this value is minus 1 by, this is xy. The derivative and integration got cancelled, and this is minus log of x by y is equal to c. So this is minus. So this is the solution for the first question. So this value is minus. So this value is minus 1 by xy minus log of x by y is equal to c. Is equal to c. So here I have used two formula here, that is the derivative of xy is this one, and next one is the derivative of y by x. I have chosen this formula. See, out of these 10 formulas, so in my previous video, so using inspection method, so I told you that I am going to use these formulas, and in this question for getting a solution I have chosen two formula from that list. And the next question here, the second question is also so simple. So for getting the solution, see here, as this is an non-exact differential equation, so this can be written as x dx plus y dy. So if I bring it inside, so this will be x dy minus y dx by this value is x square plus y square is equal to 0. So here this can be written as this is an inspection method, by seeing itself we can tell that, so I can write this as a derivative of, if there is x square plus y square in the denominator, we have to write it as tan inverse of, if it is in the x first, we have to go with y in the numerator, that is y by x is equal to 0. So this is the formula. I'll show you all the 10 formulas which I am going to use, that is, see here. So this is x dy minus y dx by x square plus y square can be written as derivative of tan inverse of y by x. If it is y in the numerator, we have to start with x. So whenever there is x square plus y square in the denominator, so I am going to use tan inverse. So this is the formula which I have applied. As there is x here, I have started with y. And therefore, see here, so now if I make an integration throughout, then see, the integral x dx value is nothing but this is x square by 2, and this value is y square by 2, and derivative and integration got cancelled, and the value here is tan inverse of y by x is equal to c. So this is the answer. The answer here is x square. So this value is x square plus y square by 2 minus this value is tan inverse of y by x is equal to c is the final solution here. So this is how I have made use of the formulas here. Yesterday I have told you in my previous video. So please go through those videos. And here the next question here is also so simple. That is y dx minus x dy is equal to a times of x square plus y square. So in order to get the solution for the third question, see what I am going to do is y dx. So this is y dx minus x dy is equal to a times of this is x square plus y square into dx. If I bring this x square plus y square to this side, so this will be x dx y dx minus x dy by this value is x square plus y square is equal to a into dx. So this is nothing but, if there is x square plus y square in the denominator, so this can be written as a derivative of tan inverse of, if it is y, so we have to go with x. by y. So this is a into dx. So I'll show you for the formula here which I have used is x square plus y square. If I have started with y here, so this will be derivative of tan inverse of x by y. So here these are the formula here which are very very important. So in this, if I use this formula and if I integrate on both sides, after converting into the formula, if I integrate on both sides, then see the derivative and integration got cancelled, and here is the solution, that is tan inverse of this is x by y, a into this is 1 dx value is x plus a c. And the last question here is, see here, which formula which I am going to use is, see here, this is y into 2x square y plus e power x dx is equal to, this is e power x plus y cube into dy. See here the solution. For getting a solution, as this is a non-exact differential equation by inspection method. So here I am bringing this term to this side. So this is 2x square y plus e power x into dx minus this is e power x plus y cube into dy is equal to 0. So if I multiply, this will be 2x square y square into dx plus, if I multiply, this will be y into e power x dx. If I multiply, this is minus e power x into dy minus y cube into dy is equal to 0. So if you observe this one, if I made an integration with respect to x, so this y is unnecessary. So if you observe like this, so we have to eliminate this y square. So in order to balance, I am going to multiply throughout the equation with y square, and see what happens here. So this value is 2x square y square dx by this is y square. And the next thing here is, this can be written as y into e power x dx minus e power x into dy by y square minus this value is y cube by y square into dy is equal to 0. So now I can cancel these two and I can cancel these two y's, and what remains here? 1y remains. So this can be written as 2x square dx plus, and this can be written as derivative of, here in the denominator y square, I am writing y for one time. See here, after putting y here, so this is e power x dx. So here I am writing e power x minus this value is y dx is equal to 0. I am going to show you this formula I am going to use. So this is derivative of e power x by y can be written as u by v rule. This is y square, y into e power x dx minus e power x into dy. So now I can transform this in terms of this one, and now see here, now I am going to integrate throughout the equation. So if I integrate throughout the equation, see what happens. So this is going to become 2. This is 2 times of x square. The value here is x cubed by 3. The derivative and integration got cancelled. This is e power x by y minus, for y this is y square by 2, which is equal to c. And therefore the final answer, the final result is 2x cubed by 3 plus this is e power x by y minus y square by 2 is equal to c is the required solution for the given non-exact differential equation. So as these questions are very important, so I have solved and have shown you so which formula we have to put up to get the solution. So here please get a note of this: the derivative of x5, the derivative of x by y by x, the derivative of log x by y log y by x, tan inverse of x by y tan inverse of y by x, log of xy, and this is log of x square plus y square, and the derivative of e power x by y is this one. So I have made a video on this. Please go through that video, and there are only two videos I have posted regarding the inspection method. All the important questions from the textbook I have given a solution. See here, this will be very useful if you follow these formulas and if you apply here, and if you practice, definitely you can solve by your own. If you really like, please pass it on to your friends and subscribe to this channel and stay connected, and the playlist will be very useful. Thank you so much for watching.